How about one for the Mustang fans out there? It is a beautiful new Edge 2003 Ford Mach 1 Mustang Coupe. And listen to this, 2-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual miles, 8,748 is all in this car at the moment. That's right, just a little over 8,700 miles. Zinc yellow in color, actually one of 869 for the 2003 Mach 1 build that were made in zinc yellow. Dark charcoal interior. Take a look at this front fascia. This thing speaks for itself. It is absolutely as clean as a whistle. That dual overhead cam, 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood, paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside. Definitely take a look at the underside. Unbelievable. Engine bay, interior, trunk. All those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Correct Mach 1 wheels, and those things look like new. The finish on them is incredible. The front 2 tires, I believe, were date coded 2003, so they're probably originals. 2011 on the rear. Yes, take it easy on me, date code tire police out there. Just making the next owner that's purchasing this car aware of that. And as you can see up and down this passenger side, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Actually, I don't know if I found an imperfection on this car. It is clean, as you've seen on that front bumper. The license plate's never been screwed to it. The headlights look like they're new. Of course, the center console, bucket seats. Would have the Mach stereo system in it. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive. I think we all know how this one's going to drive out. In the still pictures, there'll also be a picture of the original window sticker that'll go along with the car, so you can see exactly how it was equipped from the factory. Of course, dual exhaust. I have not noticed any modifications in this car either. Once again, all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Mustangs, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. And as you can see around the rear of that car and down this driver's side, again, really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches, or any imperfections. Let's take a look at this interior. It's what you would expect out of a well-maintained 2-owner, low-mile car with a clean Carfax. Of course, your modern amenities with the power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power seat over here on the driver's side, and these bucket seats, excellent condition, bolster, really showing no wear. Of course, cruise control, tilt column. I think we need to fire this up. Love the view looking out over the hood in one of these. That shaker hood, that bulbous hood, makes it look like it has some motor underneath there, and it does. We're going to take a look at that here in just a bit. All right. So there's no service engine soon, check engine, anything like that. Just the seatbelt indicator. Exact miles, 8748 on the button right now. And top of the dash, great shape. AM, FM, CD player with a 6 CD. Changer in the dash. Stereo working, great sounding stereo in these. That Mach audio system. And a nice, deep, throaty exhaust note, and when you get on them and you're out on the road, it's got a little bark to it. Sounds good. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood propped open and check out this engine bay, and then, like I said, Jason will take it for a drive. That hood liner, absolutely as clean as the rest of the car. This thing has not been driven in inclement weather. It's obvious. There it is. .6 liter, dual overhead cam, 5-speed manual, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Nothing to hide on this one, folks. Like I said, speaks for itself. It's one of 869 produced in zinc yellow in 2003. Clean Carfax, 2-owner. Call us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you're going to find all those still pictures. 8,748 miles at the moment. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 2003 Ford Mustang in yellow. We've got a raised hood with a shaker right in the middle of it. Looking good. This is a 5-speed manual for the most fun. Very low miles on this car. Let's see how she handles on the road. Of course, we're up to speeding in no time. Plenty of power, plenty of fun coming out of this car. It's as fun as it looks. Let's go to 5th just for RPM's sake. So we're doing almost 60 at 1600 RPMs. Quite nice. Fuel gauge reads full. The temperature gauge reads almost a quarter of the way up. Battery's charging over halfway on the gauge, and the oil pressure is also over halfway. Stereo sounding good. This car, I mean, honestly, it's like new. It is like, it's practically fresh out of the showroom. I don't see a flaw on the dash. The seats are great. The door panels are great. That charcoal kind of a color is nice. You don't get any shininess. It's a nice satin or matte finish in here. I'll leave it in 3rd here as I get into the traffic circle, and it's plenty torquey enough to handle that. Nice and flat in the corners. Excellent power steering. A Mustang with performance and all the modern amenities. Check out all the pictures of this 2003 yellow Mustang at UniqueClassicCars.com.